project for Isabella. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint this cute little stool kissing booth, and we're gonna do something fun to the pink. It's highly pigmented clay paint and it comes out nice and good.
Hi, I'm Melanie. This is Isabella. I think that kissing booth is a really sweet and beautiful color.
It's just gonna make your life easier. I met Isabella when she was about this big. DIY clear wax is probably the best wax on the market, but don't freak out. Watch, it's gonna change and you're gonna be like, what? It's all blotchy. No worries. While our wax is drying, we're gonna go ahead and get our cushion ready. So we're gonna take whatever foam you want. I just had these. We're gonna take Sharpie and go all the way around with a line. Valentino, my nephew, who is the same age, but big difference. So I have my fabric underneath here. I'm just gonna make sure that it's gonna come up enough that I can hook it down here. So that is enough there. You can use a hand stapler, but I just happen to have a Ryobi hair strike. I was gonna get out my other one and I don't know where it is. So, all right, so we're gonna use the Ryobi airstrike and we're just gonna pull this taut. Years later, we got a Gianluca, a little baby boy. So, 2 nephews, 1 niece. What's with all these Italian names? Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, did I mention they're Italian? Daddy's Fabio. What Americans have a daddy named Fabio? Once you have your fabric all stapled on all the way around, you go ahead, just cut off the excess. If you're using normal fabric, it won't nearly be as messy. After your wax is dried a little bit, I let mine dry for about an hour. You can go back with a soft rag and buff it to a nice sheen. So this is it, Izzy. We made these cute, cute little stools and we did it for you. So now you gotta come to New Mexico and get them.